We're back in the garage. This is going to be a quick little video. If you've got an Audi A4, Audi or anything, A6, 7, 5, 2, 3. If you've got a car that's got a bonnet ram, you open the bonnet, this holds it up. At the moment, we've got a nice piece of wood. So this has failed, basically. It shouldn't do that. I'm just going to show you quickly how to replace it. It's very simple, but if you're not mechanically minded, you might sort of look at it and think, how do you do that? On the end of here, you've got like a metal clip goes around it. Just put a little screwdriver in there, just to ease the clip out, and that will just pop straight off that ball joint. I'm going to have to demonstrate that, aren't I? On the end of this piece here, there's like a little metal clip that goes around there. Just put a screwdriver in the end, and it's both on it's the same on both ends. There's a little metal clip that just releases it off the ball. So we'll have a look at the car and fit the new one on. It's quite easy. The new one comes in a bloody great box. I use a firm here in France called MrAuto.com. Sometimes their packaging leaves a lot to be desired, but this was actually the same size as the box. We can't say too much. You can get these, you can get cheap ones, you can get expensive ones. I go for a brand that I know and trust. This is Monroe. You'll know Monroe from suspension components. They're a good make. Used them quite a lot. Now to get this on, it's quite straightforward. It's got the metal clips on it already. So all you do is just put it on the ball, and that's it. Can you just lift the bonnet up a bit, please? Keep going, keep going, keep going. Oh, back down a bit. That's it. It really is as simple as that. And it's quite strong. That is how you fit the bonnet ram. Really easy job, but for those of you who are not mechanically minded, it's just a little screwdriver in there just to release it on the clip. Job's a good one. So that it can now be filed in the bin. So that's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one for some little tips. Bye for now.